to my channel. It's your girl Blessing. welcome. If today's your first time seeing my face, you're welcome to this channel. Very interesting channel. Please, if today's your first day of seeing my face, hey, please, click the red subscribe button and help your girl. Click the red subscribe button and join this channel. And for my returning subscribers, please, I love you and you know it. Leave this my gearing dressing to do. Leave it. I got this cap and I love it. It might look crazy to you, but I love it. Don't mind me, I beg. Let's come to the business of today. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You know, I always greet you depending on when you're seeing this video and where you're seeing this video from. It's your favorite girl Blessing. Welcome back. A man asked me a question today, and I said I was going to make the video. I make real life issues. The videos I make in this channel are videos of real life issues. Real life issues. When I hear it, when I encounter it, I come here and make the video. A man met me today. He said, "Sister," he's a church member. "Why is it that women do not respect their husband like they respect their pastors?" Hey, gbege, this is for my ear, bagam. Because this is not the first time a man is complaining bitterly like that. Say, why? That when we women say our pastors, "Oh, Daddy, good evening. Daddy, good morning. Papa, good evening. Papa, good," that we will bend, we will prostrate, we will carry our voice down, we will call them different names just to greet them. But when it comes to our husbands, we don't respect them. We don't give them any form of regard. So women wake up in the morning, they can't even greet their husband. So I'll tell the husband, "James, good morning." Hey, James, good morning. That one I won't try greet. You say, "James, good morning." "John, good morning." At the good wife, so we try greet. What happened to babe? Good morning. Did you sleep well? Nkem, Obim, my love, sweetheart, good morning. If you want to be, if you love pet names, but if you don't love pet names, why not "Good morning, sir"? Good morning, sir. Is your husband. One thing we women of this generation don't understand is that your husband is your crown. He's your king. He's your Lord. Sarah in the Bible called her husband Lord. Where has submissiveness run to? Because can we make our time wear better sneakers and boots? Pursue submissiveness, go catch and come. Where you go? Where has submissiveness gone to? Where has it gone to? Where has respect gone to in our relationships? You see other men outside, you respect them. Please declare, I'm just disclaiming now, please, nobody should go out there and quote me wrongly that one YouTuber said this or that. I don't stand against you. I'm not against you as a woman respecting your pastor, respecting your boss in the office, your pastor, or any man outside. I am not against it. I am just saying that same respect you give to them outside, why not start it from your home? Why not show your husband respect? When issue come out now, you go say men are wicked. When issue come out now, we will go and look for devil and call. Why not show your husband a little bit of respect? That same respect that you show to your your boss in the office, the respect you show to your clergyman, your pastors, your imams, all those stuff, that same respect can be shown to your husband. Why not show your husband love and respect? Because this man that walked up to me to ask me that question must have suffered disrespect from his wife that will make him ask that question. When we see our pastors will fall on the ground for them, our boss in the office will fall on the ground for them, because he's a pastor, he prays for me and I have to respect him. He's my boss, he will sack me. So your husband doesn't have any significance that will make you respect your husband. Because I am doing this video to beg women, please look at my hands. I'm begging you women, learn to respect your husband. Learn to respect your husband. The same respect you accord to men outside. Please learn to respect your husband. That man that was bold enough to marry you, pay for your bride price, took you to the altar. Please learn to respect him. Even that man that you're in a relationship with, as long as you accept to be in that relationship, respect him. Respect him. Please, let's learn to respect our men. Let peace reign in our families now. Let peace reign in our homes. It's not after boxing in the house, after quarreling in the house, we come out, we fall on the ground for our bosses, we fall on the ground for our pastors. Did your pastor say you shouldn't respect your husband? No. No. The same respect you accord to your clergymen, please accord same respect, if not, in fact more, to your husband. More respect. More respect. Respect your husbands, so we can enjoy peace in our relationship. Don't you like peace? You watching this video, don't you like peace? You don't like peace? Not every man is bad. Love your husband. Love your man in your relationship. Respect him, so we can all be happy. Stop looking at me. What you have heard, put it into practice. Leave this earring in big, I hear you. Leave my cap, leave it. Listen to what I have said. I love you, and you know it.